If you're flying the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, there's a new firmware update you'll want to know about. DJI has released fresh software for the drone, its controllers, and the DJI Fly app. Now, this isn't a major feature update with a long list of new tricks. Instead, DJI is focusing on fixing known issues and improving the overall experience. It might sound minor, but these are the updates that can make a difference when you're actually out flying and shooting. So, let's see what changed. Let's start with the main update. DJI has released aircraft firmware v01.00.0800 for the Mavic 4 Pro. Along with that, the DJI C Pro 2 gets firmware v01.00.0700, while the DJI C2 moves to v10.00.0800. The DJI Fly app has also been updated to version 1.2.1.8. Now, if you were expecting a big new feature, there isn't one here. DJI release notes are actually pretty brief. The company says these updates fix some known issues, while the latest Android version of DJI also focuses on fixing problems and improving overall app quality. So this is more of a cleanup update than a feature-packed one. And honestly, that can be a good thing. When you're flying a drone, you don't necessarily want constant changes. You want the things that are already there to work properly. A small software problem might not sound serious on paper, but when you're trying to capture an important shot, even a minor glitch can become frustrating. That could be an unexpected app issue, a connection problem, or something that just doesn't behave the way it should. So these smaller firmware releases are really about keeping the entire system stable. For casual pilots, you might not notice a huge difference after updating. But if you fly regularly, especially for photography or video work, having the latest software is generally worth it. There is one important detail you should remember before installing the update. DJI notes that camera settings will be reset after the firmware installation. So once the update is complete, don't immediately launch the drone and start recording. Take a minute to check your usual settings. Look at your shooting profile, exposure settings, color mode, and anything else you normally customize. It's a small step, but it could save you from getting back home and realizing that your footage was captured with completely different settings. And if the update doesn't go through properly, DJI recommends restarting the aircraft, remote controller, and DJI Fly app before trying again. You can also use DJI Assistant 2 on a computer if you continue having trouble. Of course, the reason this update matters in the first place is the drone it's supporting. The Mavic 4 Pro is already one of DJI's most advanced consumer camera drones, with its triple camera system and the unusual infinity gimbal. That camera system gives pilots more flexibility without having to constantly change position just to get a different perspective. And the infinity gimbal is particularly interesting because it allows the camera to rotate through a full 360 degrees. That gives creators more options when they want to experiment with camera movement. So even though this firmware doesn't add another major shooting feature, it's helping maintain a platform that already offers plenty to work with. Another thing I like about this release is that DJI isn't updating just the aircraft. The controllers and DJI Fly app are getting updates alongside it. That's important because the drone isn't working on its own. You have the aircraft, controller, and app all communicating with each other. Keeping those pieces on current software helps maintain compatibility and gives DJI a chance to address problems across the entire setup. It also shows that DJI is continuing to support the Mavic 4 Pro rather than simply moving its attention to newer products. So that's the latest firmware update for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. There's nothing flashy here, and that's probably why the release notes are so short. But fixing known issues and improving stability can be just as useful as adding another feature. If you already own the Mavic 4 Pro, updating is worth considering. Just remember to check your camera settings once it's finished. And if you're thinking about getting the Mavic 4 Pro, this update is another small sign that DJI is continuing to refine its flagship consumer drone experience. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.